What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Polymesh, also known as Polyx, which has pumped up a massive 40% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at just above 41 cents. And as you guys can see, over the last 24 hours it has been consistently gaining value, and even in the last week itself it has gained over 100% in value, guys, meaning it has been performing very well. But the whole point is it too late to invest into it right now? If you're on a profit, is it time to sell it, or is it time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher, potentially heading over the 50 cents target over the coming weeks? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video. So essentially covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at his prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months and so on, especially going into 2024. Is this a must-have crypto in your cryptocurrency portfolio, and if so, when is a good time to invest into it? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. And this is a very interesting one. As you guys can see, it was literally trading in the lowest part, which is the red zone, approximately about, let's say, 3 weeks ago, and right now it has literally broken out of every single zone and currently trading the top tier level here. So is there a potential crash coming? Who knows? We'll find out later on in the video. But for now, let's get the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Polyx, which is here in purple at 20 cents. However, it is actually trading at over double its average value, which is here in green at 41 cents, guys, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, quite interesting here. We've got the blue line looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we've got is two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Polyx over the next 12 to 14 hours. So let's say by midday tomorrow to tomorrow afternoon, we should see Polymesh more or less trading around the 40 cents target, which is where it is at the moment. But again, what I'm saying is over the next couple of hours it's likely to pump up a little bit higher than where it is at the moment, potentially up to about 45 cents, and then in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow afternoon it should slowly start to drop back down in value, trading around 40 cents is what my predictions are at the moment. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. We've got both the blue and the orange line heading upwards, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected from Polymesh over the next 7 to 8 days, guys. So towards the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting Polymesh to be trading around the 45 to 47 cents target. Somewhere in between that price range is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at towards the end of this week. But again, we are likely to see an odd red day here and there in between, where it's likely to take a little bit of a step back, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. So yes, gaining about another 5 to 6 cents in target is what I'm expecting over the next 7 to 8 days. That is including the step backs or drops that is likely to take place as well. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks we are looking very bullish, very positive and very steep as well, meaning it's not realistic, as it's basing it off the last couple of, well, let's say about 2 to 3 weeks where it's been pumping so much in value. So what my predictions are over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys, so mid to late December 2023, so essentially towards the end of the year, is yes, I am expecting it to go for an overall increase in value, but not a major pump or a major increase or anything like that. Minimal increase in value is what I'm expecting, potentially hitting about 55 to 60 cents in target is what my expectations are from Polymesh, guys. Again, that is only if the crypto market manages to stay on the green side, including Bitcoin hitting $40,000, which I'm expecting it to take place potentially in December as well. And again, if you guys did watch my previous updates on crypto, obviously I did expect Bitcoin to hit around $35,000 in mid to late October, which it has done. And yes, the next target is $40,000 in December. We're going to have to give it a little bit of time, around a month and a half to 2 months. That should be enough for Bitcoin to hit the $40,000 mark, which means the crypto market should also be heading towards the positive direction, and Polymesh should be able to head over to around the 60 cents target. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, it is currently trading in the top tier level, and yes, even though it did resist, it has literally broken out every single zone day by day, guys. It's literally broken out and right now trading in the top tier level. But what I'm expecting is for it to head back down out of the black zone here, heading into the blue zone, which is below the 30 cents target over the coming days, before it then starts to gain value again. But yeah, what I'm saying is it is very likely to take a little bit of a dip that I explained earlier, which means a little bit of a crash as well over the coming days, dropping out of the zone and dropping back into the blue zone here, which is below 30 cents. So those of you guys who are investing into the crypto, make sure your risk management is on point, as there is a little bit of a drop back coming soon. And if you are looking to invest, I would wait for the drop to take place. But if you guys want regular updates or even daily updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. But yeah, getting rid of the Fibonacci scale, going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up like crazy, 147% up in the last 24 hours, making it $348 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. Is one of the top gainers, meaning it's getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype around it. As you guys can see, according to Binance, it is the top gainer in the last 24 hours. So of course it's going to get a lot of attraction. More and more people are looking to trade the crypto, more buyers, more sellers, so on and so on. But yeah, comment down below what your target is for this crypto. What is the highest or lowest figure this crypto can hit in 2023? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.